Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. In this episode we are going to deal with inner join. In previous episode I have described joining tables in general. So if that is what you need, please check my previous episode. And now, just for reference, I am going to show you how to join tables in simple way. So first I'm going to select all from table build, and let me show you what we have in here. So now what I want to remove this reference number from item, and I want to get item name. And how to do that in simple way? So I'm going to select item name, like this, just to look better, from table build and table item and conditions, where item ID equals build item. And I'm going to execute this, and you see we have a list of sold items. And now I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same thing but in different way. So we are going to keep this select part. This is going to remain the same, but now instead of providing two tables, we are just going to provide a table build, and instead of where keyword we are going to use inner join. And now we are going to provide the table name that should be connected to it. So that is table item, and now another keyword on, and after keyword on we are going to provide our condition. So as you see, syntax it's a little bit different, but result is going to be exact the same. As you see, this is our result. But what in case that we need to follow references through multiple tables? How to do so? So now I'm going to open another tab just to show you. Select all from build. You see we have column transaction. Column transaction is referencing table transaction, and table transaction referencing table cashier. I want to pull cashier name and cashier second name from that table into our build table. How to do so? Let me show you. So what we actually need? We need cashier name, comma, cashier second name. This from section is going to remain the same. So now we are dealing with table transaction. This is our bridge table and table cashier. So in simple way you are going to provide these table names in here in from section. With inner join you are going to provide these table names in inner join section, and now in on section we are going to provide our conditions. So section transaction ID equals to build transaction and transaction cashier ID equals to cashier ID. If I execute this code, okay, what's wrong? Yes, I forgot this transaction. Okay, so now we have data pulled from our cashier table into our bill table. So we have cashier name and cashier second name. And can we use this inner join statement to pull both item name and cashier name in a single view? Yes, we can. How to do that? So I'm going to provide item name, don't forget comma. From section is going to remain the same. In inner join section, we are going to provide item table. And now we are going to add just one more condition. And now item ID equals to bill. Bill item. And if I execute this code, you see everything is just in place. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you liked this content, so please subscribe and see ya.